Today, let's take a look at the difference between surge protectors with and without remote signaling. And while we're at it, let's also check out the build quality and materials of our product. Let's start by disassembling the non-remote signaling version first. Well-known domestic brand chip. Pure copper hardware components. Now let's take a look at the base.
搞错了，再来。
Wow.
The empty section in the center of the base is where the remote signaling module is installed. Next, let's conduct a combustion test on our eco-friendly flame retardant material. Self-extinguishes when removed from flame. Finally, let's take a look at what the surge protector with remote signaling RS looks like. We won't look at the module. The key point is the base. The green circuit board at the center is the remote signaling module. The surge protector with remote signaling transmits key spot status to the monitoring system in real or near real time for remote monitoring and alerts.